Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code on your mobile phone. So a QR code means quick response code, and this code basically is a barcode which basically holds information horizontally and vertically. So let me show you how you can create QR codes on your phone. So first you want to go ahead and open up a web browser. On your web browser, you want to go ahead and navigate to this website here, qrfy.com. Now once you load up the website, you'll get this screen. Here you can go ahead and create a QR code for the following item. So you can create a QR code for a website, a text message, a PDF file, an image, a vCard Plus, or video. You can even create a QR code of list of things, a vCard, WhatsApp, social media, Wi-Fi password, MP3, emails, and many other options. So we'll go ahead and create a website QR code. So first we'll go ahead and type in http:// and then www.youtube.com. Now once you've typed in the website, your QR code has been created here at the top. So if anyone scans this QR code, he or she will be navigated or directed to youtube.com. So if you want to use this or you want to download it, go ahead and click on download, and then go ahead and make sure you're logged in. So download with Google. I'll go ahead and select an account. Go ahead and save this as a JPEG. Then click on download. So this is the QR code which you have created for youtube.com. And there you go guys, that is how to create a QR code on your mobile phone. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.